What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dawozo and welcome to this space. So basically this is the space that we have created in our home as my office or some kind of a studio. And I've been planning to have something like this for quite a long time now, and then early this year I was like, let's just go for it, let's just do it. We were supposed to do it, but because of COVID-19 everything just changed. Like, I ordered lights beginning of February, and then they were scheduled to come, but then the country went on lockdown and everything had to stop. Luckily I was able to cancel the lights and they sent back all the money, and I ordered them from another company again and they said no, they can't. And then I decided to order them in the country, and the companies just decided to do some dodgy dealings. I don't know what they were doing. They just didn't send the lights and they kept pushing back the dates and stuff, and then I ended up canceling them again. And then luckily now in level 2 I was able to order the lights last week, Thursday, and then they arrived like yesterday afternoon, which was like 6 days. It took them like 6 days, which is pretty good, keeping in mind that we're still in lockdown, and some countries are not allowed to come into the country, but luckily Amazon and UPS, they are able to pull some strings and bring some things over. At the moment the studio is not finished. I'm still waiting for light stands so then I can position my lights the proper way. And right now if I do this, you can see the shadow on my face, which is not ideal for any video, and it's not pleasant for your eyes anyway, and it's just not right to cheat on you. So I'm still waiting on a couple of things to come by, so then I can have a proper studio. I'll be using it for my photography work and video work, just where I'll be editing and all that. I cannot give you a tour right now because I'm just gonna wait for the proper equipment, then I can show you guys around. But right now that's all I wanted to say. Welcome to this space, and I have more videos coming up, I have more vlogs coming up. I just know that people don't really enjoy vlogs, but I just do them for me and my wife because we like watching them. So I have more vlogs coming to the channel, more tutorials, more reviews, and now that I have lights and the space that I can use, I'll be able to do more, I'll be able to shoot more. And yeah, man, I have nothing else to do. COVID took my job. I'm joking, man. But yeah, that's it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Like, I'm smiling right now and you can't tell because it's dark. But if I do this, go. Yeah, go. Go on.